this should be a quick video. So today we're going to be putting some Harley flat out bars on my Roadglide. This, I don't even know what you call this little cowl. All 4 of those out, it's really easy. So you'll take your stock ones off. I've already removed my stock engine guard, so we're not showing that step, but there's 2 bolts right here. They go right in this area. So you'll back these out, and then there's going to be 2 bolts down below. And I'll instructions, but I've already installed this before. Are for these, I guess, I don't know, they're pucks or something. These are, if you drop the bike, this is what slides on the ground. This is a replaceable part. So they want you to put washers on the back side of this. You need to work it a bit to get it where it needs to go. Is it off to the side? Okay. Let's see.
You know what I feel like? Putting this, just starting the bottom ones on the bottom.
Okay. Just to keep it in place.
So what size skate wheel do I need to buy? Blue, like a little blue one?
Yeah.
You think this is the size of an actual skateboard wheel?
It looks wider this way, but I imagine you could find one this size or even larger if you were to get a longboard wheel. Put the skate wheels on. So I guess 6 bolts technically.
Technically.
Yeah. But it looks great. Harley does they have a good finish. This gloss black really shines well. It's well made.
Compared to the
Amazon special.
Yeah.
Yeah. I learned my lesson. Rear, which I did.
Yeah.
You know, the only right answer is to do Harley in the front to keep it all cohesive. And
I just think the color, the
finish
bar
matching.
finish, you know.
Yeah.
You look great. And correct me if I'm wrong, but I think you did get a $50 gift card.
Yes, I did.
So, in one of my other videos.
Yeah. Thank you, Emerald Coast Harley, for that.
Yeah. So every good project ends with cold beer.
Yes, sir.
Cheers.
Thank you for your help.